Return from Jesus land.
I don't think you should say that.
That's where Jesus is from.
I think you should tell it again.
Oh, the baby Jesus.
No, that's got to stay in. Anyway, I'm back. Let's catch this up. Through the intro, other side. So, I'm back. To the carnage.
It's like you were never away.
It's like I was never away.
Yeah.
That's how it feels, except it's cold.
Yep.
And I know that it's warm out there, but yeah. So I'm back. You probably what have we done now? We dropped 2 updates, haven't we, on the trip?
Yep.
So this is the third and final update. So this is the last 2 days. Oh, that is a day. So we really battled with that one, but we got it out in the end. We had to drive halfway around
It's bigger, no?
the city to.
Yeah.
Yeah, this should work.
Same size.
So we're
What
just,
is this? Oh, okay, no, never mind.
Yeah, a bit of sealant. So we're literally just about to
I
flip
can
it on
lift
its
it up?
side. Yeah, I'll give you a hand now. Yeah. So we're just going to lift it on its side or on its back, and then we can drop the top case on. So, yeah, before we seal it up. And then there's the main case then as well, so it's all prepped. So, right, let's get this messed around with, and I'll show you what it's like when it's done. Or when that cover's on anyway. Nice to see the locals participating this week. Bit tight on the old sealant there, mate, ain't you? This leaks, this is your fault.
Not bad for a janitor.
Oh. GR6, GR6, GR6.
Put the ball in the sal, okay? If not,
everyone's
I give
Nissan
you a
out
box
here.
and I give you.
Everyone loves Nissans because no one's found a fast car. There's a GTR owner behind me and a GTR owner in front of me, and we've just given them crap all week.
And we still didn't see any V10 that can smash a GTR in Israel.
Give it 3 more days, buddy. 3 more days. That's all you got.
Oh, this has been all week of this
All
trash
you got
talking.
is 3 more days for
Yeah.
that story.
You know, their 76s are on the way to Israel.
So
That's
there's
what
a
happened.
this trash talking is because there's a T1 GTR out here that is dropping 2.6s, 100 to 200
Yeah, even
on
lower.
on the road. He's
A little
done, what
bit
was the
lower.
lowest? What was the lowest?
2.3.
2.3. So 2.3, 100 to 200 on a GTR
On the Holy Land Road.
on the Holy Land Road. Jesus helped him.
Yeah!
Which one did Jesus take the wheel, huh?
You have to, because if not, it's too like to walk on water here.
So
Now that line right there is as spotty as your hairline.
You see gray
it
hair
is.
there?
What is the time? Is that 9:22 now? Is it? Wow, it feels later than that. We all got a little bit stir crazy. A week of like 16-hour days. Drinking mint tea.
Mint
We
tea.
do like mint tea.
Shiba.
Shiba, yeah. It's cat food back home.
What?
It's cat food back home. Yeah, Shiba cat food. Oh my god. I think I need to put this phone down, so we'll put this case on.
Hope it's not gonna leak.
Yeah, we hope it's not going to leak.
And if it's gonna leak, there's a
It's-
warranty.
Yeah.
The other time say.
So that's the Dodson half shafts with the OEM seal, wave track diff, and then the billet carrier on that side. So yeah, I'm gonna put that half shaft in now because we've got the gearbox back, and we've how trick them bolts look. I don't know whether it comes out right, but we like blued them, like anodized them. So they look pretty cool. So yeah, turn this up on its side. I'm gonna put the clutch stator in so I can then flip it up on its bottom. Put the oil pump in and put parking lock in. So we're coming together slowly. And we're going crazy, look. It's mad over here. It's like 1 a.m. on day 4, box is built. I gotta put the mech in the morning and just check the diff, but it's done. So yeah, I've gone stir crazy, so I'm going home.
Going home.
Say bye. Day 5. Back together, finished, full of oil, set the backlash, bang on the money. So clutch is in. Even anodized the titanium bolts. Even the starter motor's got titanium bolts on it. It's billet diff cover. Bolt kit throughout. And then I don't know whether the camera's picking it up, but we've turned the bolts purple. So, all good. It's full of oil, we'll light it down and then we'll lift it back in the car. So, not bad for a Friday. I don't know, I must be a Supercar Magnet this week because what are the chances that one of two Evos turns up and a 720 in RE Performance company colours? Check that out! It's like Nardo grey and purple.
Everything in purple. El Cantada.
That is lush. So, it turns out I'm a Supercar Magnet. I'm gonna have to talk him into doing the calipers purple.
No?
And then Hurricane Evo. But that is trick. Need a 720 in my life. And I've been having peppermint tea all week, which is really nice. And I've just figured out they've been picking it from the plants. So I might have found a new tea at home. Manual turbo. Cool. Like rare back at home, like let alone here. So I think this is pretty beastie, this one. Looks quite cool. They're tiny compared to new stuff. Compared to new stuff, they're tiny. But, yeah. Come on. Do you want a Beetle over a GTR? Sell the GTRs, get Beetles. No?
Either a GTR, either a Volvo.
This nearly won the war for
Wagon.
Hitler.
245.
But
Yeah, it's a cage. Nice guy.
does look cool. Well, that's me done. So gearbox built, back up, diff. I thought for a second he was going to do a different kind of salute then. So uprated diff, full gear set, 1 to 7, including reverse, both input shafts, uprated ring and pinion, uprated stub shafts, billet diff cover, billet sump cover, full rebuild, titanium bolt kit, a lot. That's a ball of trans hanging in the back of that. So that is sorted. So the boys have still got a bit of work to do to get the turbos on, get the MoTeC on, get it wired up, get it plumbed in. So I think they're planning to start sort of tuning on Monday. So that's Shawn and Justin from Doug Hub are doing that. And then Rob is tuning it. Rob tuned, so they're going with that. And then obviously put the rest of the car together. So yeah, that is what came out. Plus then what we made with our little input shaft holding tool. So it's been a long week. It was 2 o'clock this morning when I left this morning. So I've essentially got a full trans built in like 24 hours. So it's Friday. What's it called when you leave early on a Friday?
Shishi.
Shishi.
Yeah.
So it's like
Erev Shabbat.
it's like
It's
Shabbat.
the eve of Saturday.
Right. So they go home early. I say early. What is it, like 4 o'clock?
Yeah, 4 o'clock.
Yeah. So
this
basically,
is early for us. This is early, man.
Yeah, it's a normal day. It is early. We're here till like 2 o'clock. So
We got also Dodson Cream Bob.
marshmallows.
Dodson Pitbull.
Dodson Pitbull. So we've been well looked after. George and Nathan have looked after us really well. And then yeah, boys are here. So, and we've had nothing but everyone turn up to see how we do it. So 720 was there earlier, Evo, and a car park full of Datsuns, but we won't get into them. I've given them nothing but jip all week about GTRs. So yeah, so that is it. That's week done. Oh yeah, we do a photo. That's me done. I leave tomorrow, but I've done everything I bloody well can. So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you when I'm back in the UK. Laters. We didn't ship everything because of the value of the parts. That's why I carried it all over. And I've carried like turbo kits to Australia and engines to America for Bonneville and stuff like that. So I didn't think it'd be a problem. But anyway, landed, got tugged, took everything off us. So we done 3 days where I had nothing. I had none of my tools, none of the gear kit. They give us some stuff back for the rest of the trip. And then when I left to come home, they broke into my bag and they took stuff off me. So I've got a note in Hebrew in my suitcase where they've taken tools off me. So I'm trying to get those back, but I'm also trying to get stuff from Dodson as well, so to replace what I'm missing. The car's built, it's done, it's ridiculously fast. I think the boys set like a 2.600 to 200 time. So it's the fastest car in Israel. So I went out and built the gearbox, clutch, diff, stub shafts, everything, literally threw Dodson catalogue at it. It's a ball of gearbox. And then Shawn and Justin, who were from Doug Hub, flew out and did the turbo kit. So it had boost logic, inlet manifold, it had boost logic turbo kit, fuel system, the lot. I supplied the MoTeC to go on the car. And then obviously Rob tuned it. That's who Doug Hub used. So yeah, this thing was just a monster. So yeah, I've got back. The car's been run. The boys leave, I don't even know what day it is. The boys leave 4 o'clock in the morning back from Mecca, so I come back early. So yeah, car's done really well. It's a good trip. It was a good trip. I wouldn't be surprised if there's more. We had a lot of attention. I think every supercar in Israel turned up. Honest to God, it was carnage. So and bearing in mind everything's expensive out there. So a non-plus R8 is probably $400,000. A 720S is $1 million.
Whoa.
Yeah, proper money. So there's not many supercars, and we had everything: Hurricane Evos, 720s, Turbo S's. What else? Yeah, loads. GTR galore. Everything. Everybody's got a GTR. So yeah, it was good. It was busy. It was nice. You know, I kind of fell in love with working on cars again because I put on my Instagram the other day that I was in like a back room just building a gearbox, earphones in, having a chat with the lads. You know, it gets to like 7, 8 o'clock at night and we'd have a beer and we'd carry on working. We worked till midnight. I think one morning we'd done 2 in the morning. And there was none of the crap that goes with running a business. So it was nice to do some work and kind of fall back in love with doing work again. So that was really nice. But yeah, it was a good trip. It was made difficult at points. Yes, we had stuff that we struggle with, like getting some of the bolts undone, because like over here I've got a big compressor, I know what works, and over there they just don't quite had the kit, but it just wasn't quite up to it. And then obviously customs just making my life a misery. So yeah, they were like passport control. I stood at passport control 15 minutes. Where you coming from? Who you going to see? Why are you seeing them? What's your political affiliations? Have you been in the military? Do you know anyone in Gaza Strip? You know, stuff like that. So they're a bit edgy, but the people we were with were just mega. It was amazing. Yeah, ate like a stupid amount. Like what they serve for like 5 of us could feed a family of 15 over here. It was ridiculous. So it was mad. So yeah, car's done. So yeah, picked the bike up. So I've got back. I'm testing Saturday. So the new bike is here.
New bike.
New bike.
This is just a sneak peek.
A little sneak peek. We do a walk around because this is Trek. So this is yeah, OMG Racing Yamaha R6. So this was a super sport bike for last season for them that was going to do the TT, but of course David Johnson injured himself, so they never rode. So it's mine now. So go testing Saturday if it's dry. If it's wet, I'm not going to. So yeah, Mitch ran the fort while I was away, which is why it fell to bits.
Hang on. Just that.
Yeah, so what else? Jordan and Kate sat in the office and just took the mick out of me because I was living a life for Riley.
Yeah.
What else? What else happened?
Well, we did a video without you.
Yeah, you did, and it
Jordan.
absolutely tanked. Yeah, you did the RS5 video, which was actually quite funny. I thought Jordan got a little bit posh in places, and to be honest, it was a 25-minute advert for his products. So his web shop is now live. Yep. Go and buy some stuff. Yep. So yeah, no, thank you for them for doing that. It was a good video. I was watching it, I was laughing. So yeah, that's the RS5 that finally got running again. So that'll be up for sale. So yeah, not much else has happened in the workshop.
Because you ain't been here.
Because I haven't been here. Anything Mitch has done has kind of gone. It was like in and out jobs. Because didn't want to make it too complicated.
We're going to be picking bits up for the Noble soon.
Yeah, I think that's a next week job now with everything that's gone on. I think me and you are going to go and take a trip. We wanted to go and see Matt, didn't we? And I think he's back in America. Maybe it's just a Noble trip. But I think we would go. So basically, DTB is right next to Matt Armstrong's place. So we were going to go up and kill two birds with one stone. But I think Matt goes away this weekend. So we might not be able to do that. But is what it is. The guys have finished the bumper upgrade, so the guys who are doing a flat 4 for the Noble, they want us to go down. I think in a couple of weeks we've got a special trip to Turweston, haven't we, to do?
We have, yeah.
So we got that. So yeah, we got some cool stuff coming. So hopefully this little trip of mine away has been interesting, and if it has, put it in the comments below, because then when I get invited on the next one, I can show Kate, look, it's good for the tube. Leave her with 3 kids and a business.
Yeah.
And all the stuff that goes with running a family for a week. She smashed it. She was fine. It's just proof to herself that she can do it.
Easy.
Yeah. I'm going to get kicked in the absolute plums for that. So,
right, on that note.
Yeah. Smash the buttons, because I think Davey's going to drop a little graphic in. Like 60% of the people who watch our videos don't subscribe. So do us a favour, subscribe.
Less than 60.
Is it really?
Yeah.
So yeah. Smash the buttons because it does help. Later.